2017 Dodge Ram 1500 5.7 Hemi. Got a nice lift kit on it, 3-inch. Got big tires and wheels. Really nice truck all the way around. Owner's ex-Navy, super nice guy. It's got stock catalytic converters right there, right there. Then it goes into a 3-inch system, 3-inch straight pipe. And then we put a MagnaFlow 22-inch single in, dual out, 3-inch to 2.25 tail outlet with 2.25 tailpipes right there and right there. And then we put on it some 4-inch rolled edge by 18 black tips right there and right there to accent the white. Came out really beautiful. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. There's the muffler setup. There's everything. That's how they do them. Hope you guys like it. Yeah, those black tips accented really nicely.
Okay, I've got some fender skirts coming today.
Oh, black ones?
Yeah.
Oh, that's perfect.
Matte black.
No, I think it's perfect. It's not going to drone inside either. I think it'll be perfect. Yeah, sure. Came out really nice. I'm gonna let you guys hear it. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Yeah.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. My life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.